and welcome to Hands On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. My name is Holly and I'm the Every Student Initiative and Groups Tours Coordinator, and I'd like to show you how to make your own bubble mix. What you'll need to make your own bubble mix is a bowl to mix with, dish soap, water, sugar, and measuring tools. What you'll need is a half cup of dish soap. Pour it in the mixing bowl. You can use a spoon to get some of the extra out. Then keep that spoon for mixing later. After you pour your dish soap in, you're going to need 1.5 cups of water. This ratio is a 1-to-3 ratio, so if you'd like to make more bubble mix than what we're making right here, feel free to up the measurement amounts. Just pour that in with the dish soap, and then last 2 teaspoons of sugar. Once everything's in the bowl, use your spoon to mix very gently. And you're done. Now you can use whatever bubble tools you have to make your own bubbles. If you'd like to make thicker bubbles, an optional ingredient is 1 teaspoon of light corn syrup. We're using light corn syrup because it'll blend in with whatever bubble mixture you're using. And this is just going to thicken the bubbles, make them last a little bit longer, and make them able to be a little larger. And then you can again use whatever bubble tools you have. And if you don't have any bubble tools, you can use your hands to make your own. All you need to do is make sure your hands are just totally covered in bubble juice. Rub them together. You should be able to see this sheen. And then you should be able to blow some bubbles. This one takes a lot of practice, but you will be able to make a bubble in your hands. Thank you for joining us for Hands On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own bubble mix. A big thank you to our Visionary Society members, visitors, and guests, and everyone else who helped support us to make these programs.